Good day guys, thank you for checking out another of our videos. Today we'll be looking at Microsoft Excel and how to create various charts such as your line graph, bar charts and pie charts. So stay with us, we will return, and also please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Welcome back. In today's video we'll be doing our analytical charts using sales data from our pretend company JP Trading. There are numerous ways to create analytical charts, but today I'll be sharing with you the method that I've been using and I've found it to be very reliable and easy to learn. Let us create our chart by clicking Insert tab on our menu bar. This will open a number of options such as bar chart, line chart, and pie chart. We will start out by looking at our bar chart, and later in this video we'll look at the other chart types. To create bar chart, we highlight table of data. Next, we click on our bar chart icon. This will present a drop-down list of various bar chart types. Each type has a brief description of when it should be used. For our example, option 1 is okay. Here we have our bar chart. A number of things can be done, such as title change or clicking on our plus icon here to add various information such as axis titles and our data table. Let's add our data table and our axis titles. Also, we can change our chart design from the chart design tab here. Now, let us take a look at creating line charts. To create line chart, let us go to our insert function as we did for our bar chart. Our data table is already highlighted, so we'll select our line chart option. There are a number of options, and option number 1 works well for our example here, so we'll select option number 1. This is our line chart, and a number of things can be edited as we saw with our bar chart. Things such as title and addition of data such as axis titles and data table. We can also change our chart design from our chart design tab here. Let's go to our pie chart. Alright guys, let's add another column to this table and use our pie chart to analyze contribution of each product to overall sales over the 5-year period. The data that are required for our pie chart are located in columns D and J. Once these data have been highlighted, we go to our Insert tab and to our pie chart options. Again, option number 1 works well for our example, so we select that option. Let's change our title to something more suitable. Also, we can change our chart design. I like this. And that's it for our pie chart creation. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.